Hi again, this is Asha with a video for our YouTube channel English for Arabs. Today's lesson, Farm Animals Part 3. Farm Animals Part 3. Goose, goose, goose. Gooseling, gooseling, gooseling. Hen, hen, hen. Horse, horse, horse. Kitten, kitten, kitten. Lamb, lamb, lamb. Mule, mule, mule. Ox, ox, ox. Pig, pig, pig. Tomcat, tomcat, tomcat. Turkey, turkey, turkey. Water buffalo, water buffalo, water buffalo. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.